What's up, guys? I'm Alpha Blue and you're welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to go over GBP gold and EURUSD. So I'm going to tell you guys what I expect on these pairs, like my weekly outlook and what I'm currently looking at, right? So this is GBP on the 4-hour time frame, and right now I'm looking to long GBP all the way to the top right here. And as you can see, I'm already in this position, and this is a potential 1 to 10 hour that is currently moving in profit. So I'm going to go over this pair and give you my reasons as to why I feel the market is going to go up. Now, starting from the weekly, this is what the weekly looks like. So if you look at the weekly, you see that the previous week was more like an indecision candle, not really certain where the market was pushing to, but then it closed bullish. At least it was a bullish candle. So that is one. Now, initially, I was actually looking at, price coming down all the way to take out this low right here, this, this low right here, especially after sweeping, liquidity here. But then if you go to the daily, you now see that the daily, we had a very strong week right here. This was NFP. This was NFP. NFP was released and then price pushed to the downside. But then immediately afterwards, we saw a lot of buying power. We saw a lot of buyers in this market that pushed price back up. And then yesterday now gave us an engulfing bullish candle, right? So this has in some way, made me change my bias, and I'm potentially looking that this price will continue to the upside to come and take out this right here. So that is one. That is it. Let me go back to the weekly. Let's see what's going on. Let me go to the monthly as well. So just monthly though, crazy pressure down here. And then looking like price will, continue to the downside. But then what we have here on the daily is what is making me more, lean towards the buy side. You see this very huge rejection week right here, followed by a bullish engulfing candle, right? So if we then go to the 4-hour, you will see that the 4-hour is printing something like an inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, right? So liquidity was taken here. Price further came and took liquidity down here, right? After it took liquidity down here, we now have this change of structure or change of character here at the top here. Initially, I was looking at this as a probably, internal liquidity sweep for price to continue down. Yeah. But then price did take the liquidity and come down, but it now reacted off this 4-hour order block and pushed up. So when I saw it react off this 4-hour order block and give us this strong bullish push, so I then started to look at it differently. So right now I'm looking at this as a potential inverse head and shoulder. The price will likely push all the way to the upside right here. Then coming to my entry right here, this was actually an area of supply I was looking to sell off because we had this huge sell from this point after the liquidity was taken, right? But because demand was respected here, that's one. And also, if you look at this price action that is playing out here, we have the previous 4-hour candle closed bullish right here. You can see. So it's now making me feel this market is likely just going to come all the way, clear this liquidity and continue to push up. So we got this, indecision-like candle. We see these strong wicks at the downside, indicating that buyers are pushing price up. Look at the previous candle, even though we got some sell-off, but it still closed bullish. The next 4-hour candle still closed bullish. So we have, two 4-hour candles that have closed bullish, especially that this last one has a wick to the downside. So that is what is making me feel we'll just see price blast through to the top here instead of selling off this other block. The reason why you see this delay, this, choppy movement is because there are some sellers right here. There are some sellers, people that are looking at this as a potential, supply area to sell off from. Those are the guys that are making this price just stall and dance around. But I believe with all this that I've said, I believe at the end of the day, the buyers will win this battle and then the price will push up to the upside. So if we go to the 1 hour, let's see what is going on the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour price, ranging. We got this very strong bullish engulfing candle that closed bullish. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. 30 minutes, Asian high and low have been taken. Asian high taken, Asian low taken. So let's see where price goes next. So that's that for GBP USD. Let me go to gold and show you what's going on in gold. I'm currently sitting on like a 1 to, I think probably 1 to 2 now on gold. So I have this huge trade on gold. Gold has been crazily bullish. It has been super bullish for a while now. So I actually, when gold was around 2000, 200, I just drew out 2003 and I was like, gold is likely going to hit that psychological level. And we have cleared 2300. Right now, gold is at 2363, right? So I am of the opinion that gold will likely go to the next psychological level, which is 2500, right? Or 2400, right? So let's just see how it goes. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to load up. So you see my, let me try and change the time frame. Mm. Oh my God. All my drawings are not loading. They're not, they've just disappeared. That's why I'm just looking at the chart. Good, come on. Anyways, you just see what is going on gold. You should just be crazy if you're looking to sell gold, except if you just want to sell on, some minor pullbacks. If not, right now, everyone is bullish on gold. You should be bullish on gold because, as you can see, we've just had this very long bullish market right from the beginning of last month, even way earlier, you see. So right now, if you're selling gold, then I don't know what's wrong with you. So let's just see how far it goes. Let's see how far it goes. So this is the gold trade that I was talking about. And right now it's running about 1 to 2, I guess, 1 to 1.6. So let's see how it goes. Gold has been bullish, and I just want to continue riding the wave, The trend is your friend. So that is what I'm doing right here. And I'm looking to see if gold can go all the way to 2005. I intend to hold this throughout this week and see how it goes. So let me just quickly look at the Euro USD before we wrap this up. Euro USD, similar stuff. Like throughout last week, I was looking to short, or I was looking to see what the market would do. So I short at this point because if you look at it, you'll see that this is the liquidity sweep we got, internal liquidity sweep. Then price came all the way down, then back to the other block that gave the sweep. All right. But then the market is looking bullish. We have, sweep down here, push, a very strong bullish push to the upside, came back to this other block right here and has reacted to it. So likely we're going to see price give us this. So most likely, I think price will give us this rather than come all the way to the downside right here from what I see on the chart, right? So still the same thing, the same analysis I made on GBP USD. That's what I'm looking at on Euro USD. So right now, this is what I think is likely going to happen on Euro USD. Market is going to come all the way to the top here rather than come all the way down here. But then because I'm already on GBP USD, so I'm not going to be trading Euro USD. I'll just hold GBP USD and see how the market goes. So my price is already moving nicely. So let's just see how it goes, guys. So that's it for today's analysis. I hope you got value from this. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be bringing more content like this your way every day. Daily analysis, daily technical analysis on Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold. You can also check the description of this video. You'll find a link to my Telegram community, where you see all my entries and some other educational content. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers and bye-bye.